everyone. We are here with Maverick. He is one of our younger CMRA racers, and he also raced TMGP on a mini bike. And is also racing in Spain now. So tell us, how's your Spain adventure going so far?
It's been a little bit crazy. We already have 3 rounds done. So yeah, the rounds are super professional and everything's great. The training's good too. We have our own garage and all our training bikes there, so we're going there off and on. And so yeah, it's been great so far.
Has the training in Spain helped you this weekend at COTA?
Yeah, it's definitely helped me learn new tracks, learn the tracks better, better techniques too, and it's definitely helped me. I can feel it.
What series are you racing in Spain?
It's called ESBK on the Premoto 4, aka Pre-Talent, in the Spanish Superbike series.
That sounds fast and scary. So Dad, are you scared when he gets on the bike, or are you nervous, or what's going through your brain?
Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. I've realized that I get more nervous for him going out than when I was a racer. So, but I know that he's got skills and that, he's not going to make dumb mistakes usually. He's a pretty smart kid. So, but yeah, it makes me nervous. And I want him to get good results. So I'm always kind of, it's like I want to will him to those results that I know he wants. So yeah, it's a different place to be as a moto dad versus just a racer.
That's awesome. What is it like being his mechanic also and his coach?
The coach is okay. I'm a pretty bad mechanic, so I'm always looking for help. Luckily, there's some good mechanics out there in Spain that help out. Jordan and Caesar here at 11 are really good. I do what I can, but luckily, I'm definitely looking for help. But yeah, as a coach, I enjoy coaching him. I enjoy coaching everybody, but definitely I enjoy coaching my son. He listens most of the time, and it's just fun to see him make the improvements so fast. Yeah. Awesome.
And also his dad was the former lap record holder at Crescent, one of the racetracks that we go to. So Mav, how was your race this weekend?
I had some good races in Saturday. Going to this morning or afternoon, I guess. It was still late. This last race though, I had to start from pit lane because of a mechanical, but I was able to get back up into second in the 300s, and there were some novice 400s I had to get by, and I was trying to pass one into turn 13, and it was pretty far back, and just went in, and then he came in, and then he hit me, and then I went down, and he went into the gravel. So it was a racing incident, but it just sucks though to end the weekend like that.
But I mean, yesterday you came out with a couple podiums. How was that?
Yeah, it was good. I got some pretty good times, and I was happy with. I was trying to improve them today also, but I feel like I was on the way on the last race, just had the crash.
That's unfortunate, but I'm glad you're okay and everything's doing well. Are you liking the 300, or are you ready for a 400 now?
I really like the 300. It handles really well, but sometimes being out there at some of the 400s, I wish maybe it had a little more torque. But yeah, the 300 is great. It's a great bike. I like it.
Do you think you're ever going to be on a 600?
Possibly in the future. We're training. We're trying to focus more on the GP bikes in Spain, but definitely as training and/or backup, we have the production bikes here to come to.
Hopefully your dad's going to let you get on his R1 one day.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, I messed up on something, so he's going to fix whatever I just messed up on.
Oh, I just wanted. I also still hold a couple track records. I just wanted.
What tracks?
ECR. I still hold the counterclockwise and clockwise records. So just wanted to make sure and throw that out there since you brought it up.
Okay, I only remember the ECR. My mistake. I mean the
Crescent.
The Crescent one. That's the one I remember.
Too many.
I believe his lap record was beat by like a couple tenths.
Yeah.
Not a lot. It was just a couple tenths, but I mean, his dad is really fast and he's pushing, and I hope I can race against his son one day. I know he's gonna beat me, so But congratulations, I'm proud of you, and good luck in your future adventures in Spain.
Thank you. Thank you.